Back for another deep dive.
Yeah, always exciting to dig into a new topic.
Today we're diving into the world of Binance.
Specifically, spot trading.
Exactly.
It should be interesting.
Now, a lot of you probably already know Binance is like the big dog when it comes to crypto exchanges.
For sure, it's a major player.
But what we're going to focus on today is spot trading.
Which, for anyone who doesn't know, is basically just directly buying and selling crypto.
At the current market price.
Yeah.
Like right now, this second.
Exactly. No futures, no options, just straight up buying and selling.
So in this deep dive, we're going to unpack what makes Binance so dominant when it comes to this type of trading.
It's more than just buy low, sell high. There are a lot of factors at play.
Right. Like, why is Binance the place for so many people to do this? What's the secret sauce?
Well, imagine you're going grocery shopping.
Okay, I'm with you.
You could go to a small local market, right?
Get your basics.
But then there's the giant supermarket, endless aisles, every brand you can think of, every kind of produce.
I see where you're going with this.
Binance is kind of like that giant supermarket for crypto.
So more choices. Gotcha.
It's not just about quantity, though, right?
Right. There are other big exchanges out there.
One of the biggest things Binance has going for it is its fees.
Ah, yeah, fees. The bane of every trader's existence.
Exactly. Compared to a lot of other exchanges, Binance's fees are super low.
Like fractions of a percentage on each trade.
Sometimes even less. And that might not seem like a big deal, but when you're trading frequently,
those tiny savings add up fast.
Especially in the world of crypto, where prices are constantly moving.
Speaking of moving fast, crypto trades happen at lightning speed. How does Binance keep up?
That comes down to liquidity. Think of it like this.
Hit me with your analogy.
You've got a busy highway, right? Cars zipping by constantly. And then you've got a quiet back road.
Okay, I see where you're going.
Binance is like the highway. There are so many buyers and sellers at any given moment.
Meaning you can pretty much always find someone to trade with.
Instantly, at the price you want, which is super important when, like you said, every second counts.
So Binance is like the express lane of crypto trading. You're in, you're out, hopefully with some profit.
Exactly. Now, for someone who's never traded on Binance before, it might seem intimidating, but...
But it's actually surprisingly straightforward.
Right. Yeah, once you have an account set up and you've got your funds in there.
Which, by the way, there are different ways to do that. We won't get into the nitty-gritty here, but there are resources out there.
Right. But once you're all set up, you choose the cryptocurrency you want, specify how much you want to buy or sell, and
place your order.
The platform matches you with another trader, and boom, just like that, the trade is done.
But I'm guessing there's more to it than just placing a simple buy or sell order.
Oh, yeah. Binance offers different order types that give traders more control.
Oh, okay. Like what?
Well, one example is a limit order.
Limit order. Okay.
So, say you want to buy Bitcoin, but you don't want to pay more than a certain price. You set a limit order for that price. And the trade will only go through if someone's willing to sell at that price or lower.
So it's like setting a price ceiling for yourself.
Exactly. It protects you from buying too high in a volatile market. Same idea works for selling.
So you don't end up selling too low. Makes sense.
And then there's the market order.
Which is?
Basically saying, I want to buy or sell right now at the best available price.
So you're prioritizing speed over getting a specific price.
Exactly. Which can be risky, especially if the market is moving quickly.
So you might end up paying a little more than you wanted or selling for a little less.
That's the trade-off.
Oh.
You get instant execution, but you might not get the exact price you were hoping for.
Right. So it's not just a one-size-fits-all approach.
Definitely not. Different order types for different situations.
Makes sense. But all this talk about instant trades and market volatility, it seems like it'd be easy to make a mistake.
Yeah, and that's why it's super important to start small, especially for new traders.
Don't just throw your life savings into Bitcoin on a whim.
Exactly. Practice with a demo account if you can, get a feel for the platform, and really understand the risks.
Because even on a platform like Binance, with all its features and safeguards,
losses can happen. And they can happen fast.
So, word to the wise, don't jump in head first without knowing what you're doing.
Agreed.
Now, taking a step back, thinking about Binance and its focus on spot trading.
What does it tell us about the bigger picture?
Exactly. What does it say about the overall crypto landscape?
I think it shows that for a lot of people, crypto is still mainly seen as a short-term play.
Like they're trying to ride the waves of market fluctuation.
Exactly. Buy low, sell high, make a quick profit. And Binance is catering to that.
It's like the crypto equivalent of day trading on the stock market.
Exactly. Now, that's not to say that everyone's in it for the short term.
Of course not. There are plenty of long-term holders.
Absolutely. But Binance's dominance in spot trading definitely points to where a lot of the action is.
It's all about that fast-paced trading.
For sure.
So, to sum it all up,
What have we learned today?
Binance has become a major player in the crypto world by making spot trading super accessible.
Low fees, tons of choices, a user-friendly platform.
And blazing fast execution. They've made it easy for people to buy, sell, and trade crypto quickly.
It's like a well-oiled machine.
But like we were saying earlier, traders need to be careful. Understand the risks.
Don't go in blind. Do your research, start small, and know what you're getting into.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Now here's a thought for you to chew on.
Our final takeaway for today.
As Binance continues to shape the way people trade, how might their choices, their platform, their features
Influence the future of crypto.
Exactly. Does this focus on spot trading encourage a certain type of behavior? What does it say about how we view and engage with crypto?
Lots to think about.
For sure.
All right, that's all the time we have for today's deep dive.
Hope you all learned something.
Catch you next time.
See ya.